Welcome to Word of the Day. Today's word is remonstrate. Remonstrate about something means to complain or protest about something. Ali and Faraz are two friends, and they are having a conversation. Ali is asking Faraz that how he deals with arguments. Rather than yell and remonstrate with an individual, I will simply walk away from an argument. So, to argue in opposition or protest, objection or reproof is remonstrate. Now we will see how we can use remonstrate in a sentence. They remonstrated with the official about the decision. Synonym of remonstrate is expostulate. And this was Word of the Day. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.